They say that your greatest asset in any business is your database. But what if you don't have a customer database? What if you're a typical high street shop and are reliant on your window displays or advertising and marketing campaigns to draw people in? But here's the conundrum, the missing piece of the puzzle. Once the customers have entered your establishment, how do you capture their data in order to market directly to them in the future? The solution is simple but effective. I would like to introduce to you the Digital Database Builder. It's a digital solution for the traditional bricks and mortar business. You see, every time I research how to get more customers, it always comes up with how to drive traffic or potential customers to your website and sales page. It tells me nothing about getting customers for a traditional high street business. And every solution I do find involves printing thousands of flyers, making posters, billboards. It's costly and time consuming. But the facts remain the same. No matter what your business, everyone could do with more customers. So here's a solution that is customer friendly, incentivized, that captures the information of existing, visiting, browsing or passing customers whilst building your brand loyalty and product awareness. And once you have your customers' details, then you can market to them directly whenever you want. So, please let me explain how this simple concept works. Here's an example for a typical pizza restaurant or takeaway, something you'd see in the high street every day. Now, usually they would spend hundreds, maybe even thousands every month on producing flyers, posters, menus with special offers, and then employ someone to deliver them through your door. And this is typical of so many small restaurants or high street cafes or food outlets, but it's one that works, but is time consuming and costly. So we take your branding, your images and your corporate identity and make a digital version that mirrors your establishment, creating an all-in-one digital loyalty card specifically designed for the mobile phone. Now, we can all agree that mobiles are the future. Every business I've ever seen now is gearing towards mobile-friendly content. And the statistics are incredible. Over 90% of households in the Western world have mobile phones. So we don't want to buck the trend. We want to ride that wave of new consumers who are using their phone to buy everything, view everything, and more recently, order food directly to be delivered to them. So to keep on trend and adapt to this rapidly growing customer platform, you need to be on a mobile platform. So let's show you how. So your digital loyalty card is created using your brand identity so that it mirrors your establishment. We then take your digital footprint and all the information that you have online and create buttons on your card. And these are buttons that will take you through to certain pages like special offers, promotions, deals, etc. The next stage is to add your social media and any videos or advertising links that you might have. Now, don't worry if you don't have a website or social media. We've got a solution that tackles that also. So we can discuss that at a later date if you're interested. Next, we add some very unique features that generates you new customers, simply by allowing your current loyalty card holders to share their card with others. And I'll explain how that works in just a minute. So there we have the template for your brand specific loyalty card. The next question is, how do you get it in the hands of your customers? Well, that's simple. We provide you with a QR code that is linked directly to your loyalty card. Now, you can add your QR code to all your points of sale material and advertising. Put it on posters in the window, put it on the back of the till while people are queuing for their coffees, put it on tent cards on the tables. So this QR code takes them straight through to the loyalty card sign-up page. The QR code has been around for a while, but both Apple and Android phone manufacturers have seen a rise in its usage on packaging and marketing, and have now incorporated QR code readers built into the cameras of their new phones. So every phone will have the ability to read a QR code. Now, because the laws governing customer data protection, we have added a GDPR ticked box. And GDPR simply means that the customer understands that you are collecting their information to market to them, but reserves the right to unsubscribe at any time and or request that you remove their personal details from your database. It's as simple as that. So that aside, having now completed the opt-in page by entering their email and their name, ticking the GDPR button, they then hit submit, and they instantly get a message saying your personalized digital loyalty card has been created, and click the link sent to you on your email to open it. They open the email, click the link, and hey presto, they have their own personalized loyalty card with their name on it. Within the email is also instructions to tell them to save it to their home screen so that it's always visible and to hand. And your company logo appears on the home screen of their phone just like an app. Now here comes the best bit. You as the business owner will receive an email confirmation with the details of your new customer, which you can now add to your database, allowing you to market to them whenever you have a new promotion or campaign. Now it sounds a little long-winded, but it's 3 simple steps: scan, opt-in, deliver. So no matter what your industry, we can build a digital loyalty card for you. Now if you're interested in a free demonstration or for someone to give you a call back and talk through the whole process, please click the button below and we'll talk to you very soon.